would you say contested divorce negotiations are different maybe than any other kind of legal negotiations?
The emotions involved. You're dealing with two people that, at least at one time loved each other, probably still do. And that's a hard thing for people to wrap their minds around, is even though they're going through a divorce, some part of them still loves the other person. Love is not a light switch that turns on and off. Just because your marriage went down the tubes doesn't mean a part of you still doesn't love your spouse. And then when you throw kids into the mix, now you have two people going through a divorce case that share children. And that's very much unlike most other areas of law, where, if you're involved in a personal injury case, will almost never do the motorists who hit each other have any kind of connection whatsoever, other than the fact that their cars touched each other. In contract negotiations in the commercial realm, very few of those cases involve any level of emotion, because there is no connection between, corporations or businesses. In the criminal realm, there's no emotion involved vis-a-vis the two parties. One is the district attorney's office, and the other is the alleged criminal. There's no ties between each other. There might be emotions between the alleged criminal and the victim, but the victim is just a witness on behalf of the district attorney's office. You're not really, if you're negotiating a settlement in a criminal case, you're negotiating with the district attorney's office. I mean, they generally solicit input of the victim, but they're not tied to what the victim says either. They can negotiate independently of what the victim says. So in the divorce and family law field, that stands pretty much distinct from almost every other area of law, given that emotional aspect.